Dark clouds gather as rain pours down on an ancient village, leaving clothes soaked and dripping on weary lines. In the past, women struggled to dry fabric over smoky charcoal stoves, while Romans spread white linens over thorn bushes to catch the wind. In winter, laundry would freeze solid, turned into ice by the bitter cold. The 18th century brought the first hand-cranked wringers, using wooden rollers to squeeze out every drop. In grand castles, hidden drying rooms utilized primitive underground heating. By 1800, M. Pochon's sketches revealed the first hand-rotated dryer, featuring a simple metal drum punched with crude air holes. Early machines used dangerous open flames beneath the rotating drum, often scorching the very clothes they meant to dry. Everything changed with 20th century electrification. In 1938, the first electric dryer with a tiny glass window appeared, bringing warmth and joy to households across the modern world. Electric motors soon replaced human strength, circulating hot air through evolving technical designs. Through the decades, boxy industrial frames transformed into sleek, aesthetic masterpieces. Today, as storms rage outside against modern glass, our clothes remain safe and warm, protected from the chaos of the unpredictable weather. Inside the home, a silent dryer radiates soft light, a sanctuary of peace in a busy world. Now, we enter the heart of the massive production line, where the real magic happens. Powerful metal presses roar to life as the factory floor hums with energy. From high above, we witness the birth of modern comfort and precision engineering. Giant rolls of cold-rolled steel enter the line, where they are uncoiled and flattened with absolute precision. A 500-ton hydraulic press strikes the metal, forming the sturdy side panels of the machine. Robotic spot welders then join these pieces together, creating a rigid frame in a brilliant shower of industrial sparks. The drum begins its journey as shining stainless steel sheets are cut to size. High-speed punching machines create thousands of tiny air holes, perfectly rounded to protect delicate fabrics from snags. The steel is then rolled into a cylinder, forming the smooth metallic heart that will soon tumble our favorite clothes to dryness. Robotic arms weld the drum seams with a seamless finish before the inner surface is polished to a mirror-like shine. The base is pressed into the cylinder, and every unit is tested for perfect balance. Heat-resistant plastic lifters are molded and installed inside, designed to gently tumble and separate the laundry during every cycle. Conveyor belts carry the frames into a chemical cleaning bath to prepare the metal surface. In the powder coating chamber, electrostatic sprayers apply a flawless white finish. Every particle of paint is attracted to the magnetized metal, ensuring a uniform and durable coat that will resist rust and wear for many years to come. The coated shells enter a 200-degree oven, where the paint melts and hardens into a brilliant gloss. Digital gauges verify the paint thickness and scratch resistance. Nearby, the circular door frames are molded from high-quality resin, creating a perfect seal that keeps the precious heat locked inside during the drying process. Heat-resistant tempered glass is cut for the doors and fitted with heavy-duty rubber gaskets. We verify every seal to ensure that no hot air can escape. These finished mechanical parts are now gathered in the storage bay, where a long line of shining stainless steel drums waits to be integrated into the final, high-tech machine. Pure copper coils are fed into high-speed machines to wind the motors that will drive the machine. After the coils are insulated with varnish and baked for stability, the rotor is fitted into the stator. These powerful drive motors are then tested in a soundproof room to ensure they operate with minimal noise and maximum RPM. We produce two types of heating technology: traditional heating coils and advanced heat pumps. For standard models, Nichrome wire is coiled and mounted on ceramic frames. For our heat pump systems, we assemble high-efficiency compressors and heat exchangers made of thin aluminum fins, designed to save energy while protecting fabrics. Copper gas tubes are meticulously welded before the system is charged with refrigerant. Sensitive gas detectors search for any leaks in the sealed system. Meanwhile, high-grade plastic blowers are manufactured and tested for dynamic balance. These fans are the lungs of the machine, ensuring a steady and quiet flow of warm air. Ultrafine lint filters are molded and inspected under microscopes to ensure a perfect mesh. The brain of the dryer is born as robots place microchips and capacitors onto green circuit boards. These boards are the logic centers, controlling everything from temperature to humidity, ensuring your clothes are never over-dried or damaged. After wave soldering, the boards are coated in silicone to protect them from moisture and vibration. Control software is flashed onto the chips, and the LED displays are tested for perfect clarity. Humidity sensors, the most vital components, are calibrated to detect exactly when the moisture has vanished from the drum. Touch-sensitive buttons are checked for responsiveness, while heat-resistant rubber belts are tested for tensile strength. Support rollers are fitted with high-quality bearings and treated with specialized grease. Every small detail is designed to handle the intense heat and continuous motion required for thousands of laundry cycles. Condensation systems are fitted with transparent water tanks and reliable pumps to manage moisture removal. All electronic and thermal components are neatly organized into foam trays. Automated guided vehicles then transport these parts to the main assembly line, where the final symphony of manufacturing begins its work. The base plate is placed on the conveyor as motors and blowers are secured into position. Heat pumps and rear dividers are mounted before the support rollers are aligned. Finally, the stainless steel drum is lowered onto the rollers by robotic arms, marking the moment when the machine's internal architecture truly comes together. Rubber drive belts are looped around the drum and motor shaft, then tensioned for maximum grip. The front panel is mounted to secure the drum in place, and felt seals are added to bridge the gap between rotating and static parts. Specialized lubrication is applied to these seals to ensure quiet and frictionless operation for life. Electrical harnesses are connected from the motherboard to the sensors and motors, then bundled neatly to stay clear of moving parts. The control panel is fitted to the front, followed by the glass door and the top cover. Every screw is tightened by automated tools, finalizing the structural integrity of the entire machine. The final quality check begins as each dryer is powered on for the first time. Machines are monitored in quiet rooms to measure vibration and noise at high speeds. Infrared sensors track the internal drum temperature, verifying that the heat pump is operating at peak efficiency to provide the perfect drying climate for every load. Safety systems are verified, from child locks to automatic shutoffs. After passing high-voltage insulation tests, the energy labels and technical stickers are applied. Every unit is cleaned and wrapped in protective foam before being sealed in its box. Robots then stack these finished dryers onto pallets, ready to be sent across the globe. Inside the drum, warm air flows through every fiber, lifting and fluffing the fabric as it tumbles. Unlike the harsh sun that leaves laundry stiff and dry, our technology keeps towels soft and voluminous. You can feel the difference against your skin. A gentle, warm embrace that only perfect engineering can provide for your home. Families play while the dryer works silently in the background, saving time and energy with every cycle. Looking ahead, AI will soon recognize every fabric type, while solar energy powers our dreams. As the LED lights fade, our mission remains clear: to care for your clothes so you can focus on the people who matter most.